No, I'm not taping it.
You are. I don't trust you.
Why not?
I'm gonna see if you're taping.
I'm not taping it. Oh wait, I am. Now I am. Now I am. When do you want me to start?
No, stop it.
Okay.
Stop the video.
Well, you got to do the move.
Wait, stop the video first.
Why?
Because I don't want you're starting it.
It doesn't matter. Just go.
Fine. So,
Okay. Tell the camera what your move is.
I'm gonna do the Marc-Andre Fleury.
What's it called?
The Marc-Andre Fleury.
Is it the McFlurry or there's a Marc-Andre Fleury?
It's Marc-Andre Fleury.
We don't. Do we call it the McFlurry?
I call it McFlurry for short.
McFlurry for short. Okay. All right. This is a goalie. Who does he? Does he play soccer or baseball?
None of them.
What does he play?
He plays hockey.
For who?
Pittsburgh Penguins.
Okay. What position does he play?
Goalie.
All right. Let's see it.
Okay, so now I'm gonna do the Marc-Andre Fleury. So you come like this. So somebody's coming up. He gets down like this. He slips and then he falls and then he rolls over and then the person goes right in, shoots it right over into him and then he goes up and then he saves it.
Oh, okay.
Can I see that video?
No, but do it again because don't the legs go whipping over like they go over like he rolls over?
Oh yeah. So I just now slow.
Do it from the other way because you did it the other way. You did it fine.
So that was in slow mo. So now I'm gonna do it.
Yeah. That was pretty good. Try it one more time because I think I missed it. I didn't know you were coming this way.
Okay.
Okay?